This is not a story we are told. It is a season we enter. The light does not arrive. We turn toward it. In the pale breath before morning, when the ground begins to yield, light slips slow along the hedgerows, touching stone and root and field. No crown of frost, no mark of sorrow, just ash upon her skin. The earth remembers how to open and lets the warmth come in. Minutes tip toward daylight, the long night loosens through. Something stirs beneath the surface before we know it's true. She is fire without the burning. She is warmth without a name. She is breath upon the waking land, and the keeper of the flame. Not a voice that asks for worship, not a truth we have to prove. She is coming with the soft return of what the dark once knew. By the doorway straw lies waiting, by the hearth a space made clear. Windows lean toward the night air, as if spring is drawing near. The field grows hushed and listening, the well reflects new sky. Old songs rise without a singer, like green answers to the why. Beneath the soil a stirring, a slow uncoiling sound. The year inhales its first long breath and lifts itself from ground. She is fire without the burning. She is light before the dawn. She is every seed that trusted dark and learned to carry on. Not a promise spoken loudly, not a sign we're meant to see. She is moving in the quiet yes that brings us gently free. Not above us, not behind. In the thaw, in the turning, in the widening of time. She is fire without the burning. She is daybreak learning form. She is tenderness returning to a land undone by storm. When the world feels thin and doping, when the year begins to rise, she is not a name we call out. We wake inside her passing light. When the